In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable parallel downloading in Chrome. If you want Chrome to handle multiple file downloads more smoothly, this setting can be very helpful. In some cases, websites need permission to download more than one file at a time, and Chrome may block that behavior by default. By adjusting this option, you can allow sites to ask for permission to automatically download multiple files, which can make certain downloads faster and more convenient. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find a variety of browser options and settings. From that menu, click Settings to open the main settings page. After you're in Settings, look over to the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. This section controls many of Chrome's protections and permissions, so this is where you'll manage how websites interact with your browser. Next, scroll down until you find Site Settings and click on it. Site Settings is where Chrome stores permissions for things like notifications, pop-ups, camera access, and downloads. Since automatic file downloads are treated as a site permission, this is the correct place to change that behavior. Once you're in Site Settings, continue scrolling until you see the Additional Permissions section. Expand that section if needed so you can view more options that aren't immediately visible on the page. This area contains extra controls for how websites are allowed to function in Chrome. Now, click on Automatic Downloads. This setting specifically manages whether websites can request permission to download multiple files automatically. If you download software packages, image sets, reports, or zipped content from trusted websites, this option can be especially useful. On the Automatic Downloads page, select sites can ask to automatically download multiple files. This allows websites to request permission before downloading more than one file, giving you a balance between convenience and control. It's a good option because it doesn't fully open downloads without your knowledge. It simply allows Chrome to prompt you when a site wants to start multiple downloads. And that's it. You've now enabled the setting that allows sites to ask to automatically download multiple files in Chrome. As a quick tip, only approve these requests on websites you trust, since multiple downloads can sometimes be used in annoying or unwanted ways. With that setting enabled, Chrome will be better prepared to handle download-heavy tasks when you need them.